In this video, we're taking a look at a model home by Pulte Homes. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Landings neighborhood located in the city of St. John's within St. John's County. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Merlot Grand. Now this floor plan features 5 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to 5.5 baths depending on the structural options, a 3-car tandem garage, and has approximately 3,820 square feet to about 4,262 square feet. Here you have a 2-story foyer, a nice chandelier there. Now there is the option to build from ground up here at the Landings or purchase a home that is already under construction. We're gonna start a tour over here to the left. This is the flex room. There is an option to add double doors, so have a nice enclosed study. Closet over here. And continuing our tour across, we have 2 bedrooms. And here we have bedroom 2. Lots of natural light with these windows here. And bedroom 2 features, or bedroom 2 has about 13 feet by 10 feet. To give you an idea of the dimensions, here's the closet. And then here we have a linen closet. Here is a full bath, features 2 sinks, shower tub combo. Now if you're building from ground up, you do have the option to personalize your home. Pick the types of floors, the types of railing that you see here. Here across we have a powder bath. There is a linen closet as well. Now the Merlot Grand is built on a 60-foot home site and as standard features 10-foot ceilings. Here's the dining area. Then we walk into the living room. There's an option for a tray ceiling, but as you can see, it's a nice open area. And we'll continue our tour over here into the owner suite. This model features the super owner suite with this retreat over here. Now this would be a structural option, so this can be added on. It's a nice resting area, reading area. Now as we make our way over to the owner suite, just wanted to say that I do not work for Pulte. However, I can represent you on the purchase of your new home, and I'd be happy to assist you to walk you through the new construction process, whether you're looking to build from the ground up or a home that's already under construction or completed. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Now this model features the super shower option. Standard would be a linen closet in this area and then a shower on that area over there. Water closet, and then the walk-in closet. Now, if you're looking to visit some new communities, please give me a call before as builders do require your agent to be with you at your first visit. All right, so we took a look at the living room, great space. Now here we have the kitchen. This model home features the gourmet layout with stacked cabinets. There is an option here to add on the under cabinet fridge. Okay, the oven, microwave combo. And then here we have the pantry. All right, so you have a walk-in pantry. All right, and next to the pantry we have a cafe area. All right, this is great for morning breakfast, having your coffee. And here we have the lanai. Let's take a look. All right, so here we have the lanai. There's a large lanai, giving you space for lots of seating. And then there is an option for an outdoor kitchen prep. So you'll have the pre-plumbing for a sink, gas stub. Landings is a natural gas community, so you do have the option of having a gas or electric dryer, also a gas or electric range or cooktop. All right, and straight ahead is the laundry room. And just before is the garage entry area or mudroom. Coat closet here. And here is the laundry room. All right, we're gonna make our way upstairs. And before we do, just wanted to point out the storage under the stairs. It is a nice feature to not leave any space unused. All right, and then here we have the stairs. Now the stairs, if you're building from the ground up, you can customize the stairs. So if you prefer wood stairs, you can choose wood instead of carpet, and then the type of railing as well. Here's the loft. And this space is approximately 14 feet with 11 inches by 17 feet. I'll give you an idea of the space. So this is a nice hangout area. Now there is a media room, a separate media room, so we'll take a look at that after we take a look at bedrooms 5 and 6. All right, so here's bedroom 5. This room is approximately 13 feet by 11 feet. And this bedroom features a walk-in closet. And then bathroom 4. You have 2 sinks there, and then a shower tub combo. Then there's a linen closet. There's lots of storage space in this floor plan. And bedroom 6. Bedroom 6 is approximately 10 feet with 9 inches by 10 feet, 10 inches. Here's a closet. All right, let's go take a look at the media room. So media room straight ahead. Here to the left is the HVAC room plus storage. So this is where the HVACs are. You have two, as you can see, there's lots of room for storage here as well. All right, now we have the media room. Features a closet. You can store all the games, blankets, snacks. It's a nice setup that they have here with the additional seating behind the sofa. And this media room is approximately 13 feet 1 inch with 17 feet 3 inches. If you'd like to know more about the Merlot floor plan or Pulte Homes here at the Landings community, or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.